Okay, so hi guys. Today we are going to install another custom ROM in our Samsung Galaxy S3 Neo. So let's get to it. I'll provide all the links related to this in the description. So you just need to go to the recovery mode. I'll just do that. Okay, so I have booted into TWRP recovery and I've already downloaded the file and put it inside the memory card. So all I just need to do is wipe, go to advanced wipe, dalvik cache data and system, and then do that. Then go back, wipe again, then back, then go to install and external SD card and look at my ROM. Here it is, Sammy ROM. Then swipe, then wait for it. This will take some time. Okay, so okay, let's go to next. This is the setup screen from the ROM. Next, auto default, then installation. This should take some time, so need to wait for it. Okay, so it's done now. Let's see reboot system now. Let's wait for it to reboot. Okay, so it started now. Now let's change the language. Of course, English. Okay, so it's all set it up and things are working, as you can see. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like, click subscribe and like. I'll see you in next video. Bye.